How to fix error_icon_name_collision error on Google Chrome browser. Here's how to fix error_icon_name_collision error on Google Chrome browser. 1. Open the registry editor, export current registry settings, then go to hkey_local_machine/system/current control set/services/pip/parameters/database path. Double-click on the default key and make sure that its value data is set to be C:\Windows/System32/drivers/etc. 2. Reset Windows hosts file. Back to default, http://bit.ly/2uf1wdx. 3. Make sure the automatically detect settings is enabled and use a proxy server option is disabled under manual proxy setup under Windows 10 settings. 4. Run a malware. Scan under Windows Safe Mode with networking using the recommended Avast Internet Security. 5. Remove conflicting browser extensions, disable one, then run your Chrome app. 6. Flush Windows. DNS by running the following commands as admin: IP protocol configuration /release IP protocol configuration /renew IP protocol configuration /flush. Last but not least, for site admins only, if you're to using cPanel, update the SSL cipher suite value in WHM. See the detailed troubleshooting tips at http://bit.ly/309vqyq. Solved, HTTPS and Chrome and OS problem.